Welcome to Module 2. In this module, we will study various types of pronouns that are essential for effective communication in English. Understanding these pronouns will not only help you construct clearer sentences, but also enhance your ability to express ideas with precision. The topics covered in this module are personal pronouns. These pronouns are used to replace specific people or things in a sentence. They help avoid repetition and make sentences easier to read and understand. We'll explore how to use personal pronouns in different cases. For example, the subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and the objective ones, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. They provide additional information about the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Common relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, which, and that. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. They help us inquire about specific information. We will discuss the various interrogative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, and what, and how they are used in different contexts. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things or people. They help us indicate whether something is near or far in terms of distance or time. Examples include this, that, these, and those. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence, emphasizing that the subject is also the object of the action. They are formed by adding self or selves to certain personal pronouns, for example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Intensive pronouns. Intensive pronouns are used to emphasize a preceding noun or pronoun. They are identical in form to reflexive pronouns, but their function is different. For example, in the sentence, I myself completed the project, the word myself is an intensive pronoun emphasizing the subject in the pronoun I. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to nonspecific persons or things. They are often used when the identity of the referent is unknown or not important. Some examples include someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, something, everything, and anything. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use these pronouns effectively in both written and spoken English. Let's get started.